Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'll explain a faster and more convenient way to close unresponsive applications on Windows 11. You can now right-click on any open application in the taskbar and force close it quickly without having to open the Task Manager. This feature is great for improving workflow efficiency, especially if you frequently deal with unresponsive applications. Before using this feature, you had to right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, from which you could force close unresponsive applications. From the Task Manager window, you can select any unresponsive application and click End Task at the top. This will quickly close the application. You'll then need to take multiple steps to close unresponsive applications. Therefore, I'll explain a simple way to quickly close unresponsive applications. I'll show you how to enable the End Task option in the taskbar using Windows Settings. Click the Start menu and then select Settings. From the Settings page, click the System tab in the left sidebar, and on the right side, scroll down and click For Developers. Then, look for the End Task option and enable this feature by toggle the switch on, and if you want to disable it, toggle the switch off. You can then close the Settings page, and the changes will take effect immediately. There's no need to restart your computer. After enabling the feature, if you want to close any application or anything that's not responding, all you have to do is right-click on the application in the taskbar, and you'll find the End Task option in the menu. You can click it to force close the application without having to open the Task Manager window. The End Task option in the taskbar is a handy feature that lets you quickly close unresponsive applications without opening Task Manager. Whether you want to enable it for convenience or disable it to avoid accidental app closures, now you know exactly how to do it using Windows Settings. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you found the video helpful, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Windows tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.